Hello and welcome to Chicago Pneumatic Impact Wrenches. Today I'd like to show you the CP7774 1-inch impact gun. It's got a torque of 2,373 Newton meters, a massive amount of torque, and it's quite good weight for a 1-inch tool. It's 9.98 kilograms. So it's well proven in the mining industry, as used by CAT, Komatsu and Hitachi. It's a very hard hitting impact gun for when high power is required. So I'd like to just show you some of the features of this tool. It's got a 6 power settings. So it's got 3 in reverse, 1, 2, 3, and 3 in forward, 2, 3. Great looking tool, very robust in its construction. It's got a side handle. So it's a nice compact 1-inch pistol grip tool. So I'll just show you how it works. Hopefully I don't rip apart this stand we've got. Here we go. You can really feel the power of this thing. Now I'll reverse it. Plenty of guts, that's for sure. Very comfortable to use too. There you go. Very easy to use, very user friendly, very comfortable with that handle. So great tool, CP7774, 2,373 Newton meters of torque, under 10 kilos, just a tad under 10 kilos, a magnificent tool by Chicago Pneumatic. So thanks for watching this CP demonstration. We hope to hear from you very soon.